Hello, today I'm going to talk about lysosomes. Those are small organelles in the cytoplasm. Their job is trash recycling. They take up all the garbage from the cytoplasm, old nucleic acids, deformed proteins, old mitochondria, gather them inside the lysosome, and because the inside of the lysosome is acidic, they break down those macromolecules and then send them back to the cytoplasm for use. The lysosomes are a key organelle because when the lysosomes are dysfunctional, the cell ages. And interestingly, lysosomal dysfunction is an early finding of aging in cells because it precedes mitochondrial dysfunction, it precedes cytoplasmic acidification, it precedes evidence of abnormal protein accumulation. Studies are finding that in diseases where there's neurodegeneration, like Alzheimer's disease, one of the earliest signs of the disease developing in mouse models is lysosomal dysfunction. And an even earlier sign is dysfunction in acidification of the lysosome. A lysosome that cannot acidify cannot break down the proteins. And if that's an early sign, then if we could diagnose people who are having problems with acidification of the lysosomes, we may be able to stop the development of symptoms and signs of neurodegenerative diseases by just preventing that problem of lysosomal deacidification. In fact, in a mouse model of Alzheimer's disease, researchers used a drug called tetrandron, which mice took, and the tetrandron helped the mouse cells maintain the low pH in their lysosomes. And because they were able to maintain the low pH in the lysosomes, those lysosomes were able to break down any abnormal protein, and the mice showed evidence of reversing of the pathology in their neurons, and even better, they showed improvement in the memory. Lysosome health is the key to longevity. Studies are showing that as an organism ages, the lysosome has a decreasing level of acidity concurrently. Thus, if we could find ways of preventing problems with lysosomal acidification, we may be able to prevent aging of the cell. And if we prevent aging of the cell, then the cells stay younger, and young cells beget young cells. Lysosomes and their health are thus key to the longevity of the animal.